You got the C cough, slap yourself to decrease the cough. You want to loosen up the mucus that's stuck in your lungs, and temporarily it's actually going to make your cough worse because that's the only way to get it out. So what you want to do is you want to slap yourself, okay? You want to slap along the inside of your arm, up to your shoulder, and into your chest, into your lungs. And be taking a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out while you slap yourself. Slap yourself into the chest. That loosens everything up, waking up these nerves. It doesn't matter if you go up or down. You're just waking up these nerves to stimulate your lungs, to expel that mucus, to improve your cough. Any type of cough, you want to love on your legs. What do I mean by love on your legs? Well, in your calves, your calves got two muscles. So you want to love on both sides of your calves. Love on your legs, love on that calves. And you find a tender spot, you want to love on it even more, okay? I'm trying to keep my booty out of this. But you want to love on both sides of your calves to help increase blood circulation to your lungs, which will help you stop that cough. And this little part mimics, it looks like a lung, right? Like a lobe. And then you have two lobes, see? You have two lobes, so two lungs. So if you're coughing, you have chest congestion, you can press along here, same thing, press along this little meaty part of your thumb. This meaty part of your thumb images your lungs.